What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdie Gator. If you guys see these flags in front of your Family Dollar, you know that your Family Dollar is now a Family Dollar and Dollar Tree combo store like this one right here. You'll also see the signs that say Dollar Stop, Dollar Tree, $1. All of the signage has changed. My store even has a banner inside the store right above the door that says Dollar Stop, Dollar Tree. Let's go in, you guys. I always like to come over here first to show you guys any new seasonal items that we have, but excuse my store because they're still sort of like getting set up and under construction. But right away, you guys, I'm excited, super excited, because look, none of these items were here last time I came in. We're starting to see brand new Christmas items. Okay, here's a look at some of the brand new Christmas towels. Super silky. The buffalo check. We have snowman. We have gnome for the holidays. I know you guys are going to be looking for this one. And then we have a Family Dollar set. This is a 5-piece set. And you get 5 pieces, 1 oven mitt. We have 2 pot holders and 2 towels. And then over here we have another set, snowman, and another set. And then we have some $2 towels. Baby, it's cold outside. We have poinsettia, and the quality is really nice. And then we have the little red truck. Dollar stickers, ornament, painting sets, $1 decor. These little pieces, these little sturdy pieces. This is my first time seeing these. We have Let It Snow for $1. The foam shapes, we always see these at Dollar Tree. The tinsel, the $1 ribbons. We have these little LED. Actually, these ones aren't the LED ones. These are the little, they're just calling it decor. They look like little napkin holders. The Christmas tree. Another snowman. These are brand new. The cute little Santa. Aw, these are so cute, and they have these little metal loops. We have the cute little elf. Anything else? Santa and the elf. And then these are also $1. This one could be so cute. We have peace, and we have even more over here. Trees, stars, snowflakes. We have the single ornaments, 2 for $1. Faux snow for $1. These little cute ones. More faux snow. The little minis. Here's this size, and here's this size. This size is so tiny compared to this one. The 6 count of bells, red, silver, green, and gold. And then we also have the smaller bags. Pom-poms, glitter bows, 12 in a bag. And then we have these little DIY ornaments. Ribbons. Let's see what the pillows look like. These are $10 pillows. Buffalo check. Poinsettia, $10. Let It Snow, also $10. And then over here are some fall items. It looks like they've added the $1 Mambas, very much Christmas themed, and the holiday Nerds ropes also. Okay, you guys, let's walk around and see what else is new. This end cap has a reminder, $5 off 25 or more on Saturdays. Okay, caramel sugar cookie. These are $4 for 2 candles. We have snowy pine. These are all limited edition. Lime, basil, and mandarin. It says mandari, actually. Mandari, not mandarin. Goldenberry cider, cashmere woods, pumpkin spice. We have cozy evergreen. So we kind of have fall and Christmas combined. Okay, you guys, let's look at this end cap over here. We have $1 costume makeup, $1 spider webs, a $3 metallic skull bowl. These are definitely new. Spooky creatures. The candles are still here. As they melt, they have a color underneath that's exposed. The candy buckets for $1. Here we are, you guys, to nothing but $1 items. Anytime you see this in your Dollar Tree Family Dollar combo store, you know it's nothing but dollar items. Hand soaps, hand sanitizer, the brand new Nouvelle melon lotion, cucumber melon. Suave, this is a 2-in-1, vanilla, blossom and almond, and ocean breeze. And then we have soaps, Dove soaps. I believe there's a digital for some Dove soaps. I'm gonna have to check the Family Dollar app. The Perfect Purity after shower body powders. It's so quiet in here, isn't it? Last time I was in, this area was empty, but little by little it's getting filled up. We have all the Dermasil lotions for $1. The little Gold Bond lotions are $1. This is something we've never seen at Dollar Tree. It's actually $3 here though. The Nouvelle Cocoa Butter Petroleum Jelly. That's a brand new product. Last time I was in, they had such a great deal on Powerade. I got a bunch for 65 cents each. I think they went back to the regular price though. Oh yeah, they did. They're $1.15. Oh my gosh, you guys, look. They're starting to fill up the $1 freezer section. We have some $1 items over here, the Sassy Bites, the pickles, the butters, the lunch meat and hot dogs. But little by little, this store is starting to get filled up. I'm seeing, whoa, that looks like a whole pie. I kind of doubt that's $1. I know they were getting some of their refrigerators fixed. Looks like we're starting to get some items. Beef patties, Hot Pockets, some of the microwave dinners. I'm just gonna have to keep trying. I'm gonna have to just keep coming back and sharing this section with you guys because I know they're trying to get this store together. But we do have some $1 tags. The bubblies are refrigerated, the alkaline waters, some of the Tropicana Twister $1 tags are here. So not only is it just that particular dollar cooler, but some of the dollar items are also mixed up here. We have dollar desserts, Brownie King, moon pies, Mrs. Freshly's. We're used to seeing those. We have a lot of the dollar puddings, the snack packs, Kool-Aid gels. We have vanilla, chocolate vanilla, chocolate. What else? Some of the granola bars are here for $1. Let's see if we have any dollar cereals. I walked right past them, but I don't think we have any dollar cereals yet. I see a lot of really good prices though. 2 for $5, $2.25 for some of the generics. $2.25 for their version of Honey Bunches of Oats. The normal Honey Bunches of Oats is $3.25. And then over here we have a spot for the Toastums. Those are $1. And then I see some apple sauces over there that are also $1. And of course, dollar snacks. Pork rinds, potato sticks. This whole section is nothing but $1 snacks. The Palm Wonderful pistachios, sunflowers, the various trail mixes. It's really nice to have so many more dollar options in here now. And all of the candy is $1. All the candy. And I feel like they really added a lot to the candy. They just added it all the way up. Like, we have so much more candy now. Everything over here is $1. We have High Chews, Krabby Patties, Big League Chew. That's $1. You could go to a regular store and pay almost $3 for that. All of the theater candy is $1. 75 cents. Nips are 75 cents. So the good thing about all of this candy being here and Dollar Tree being here at Family Dollar is that you're also gonna have the luxury of finding items cheaper at times, cheaper than $1, which is something that is never the case at Dollar Tree. Because at Dollar Tree, everything's always $1. And you guys know the prices are going up. And I don't know if that's gonna apply to the combo stores. So far, you guys, I haven't seen the prices go up on any of these items. And I don't know if the price increase applies to the combo stores or just the standalone Dollar Tree. So we may have hope, you guys. If you have a combo store, there's a possibility that the dollar items will stay $1. That's just a guess though. All of these food items. Wow, you guys, this video is getting really long. I think I'm gonna go ahead and stop here and decide if there's other things that I want to share with you, but I definitely want to try to come to this location at least once a week to let you guys know the sort of things that you can find in the Dollar Tree, Family Dollar combo stores like this. Again, you guys, I love that we have the luxury of a lot of our $1 items going on sale because it's here at Family Dollar. So some of the items you're used to getting for $1 can be marked down or on sale, or you can even use the Family Dollar app to save money, which is something that we can't use when we're going to just a Dollar Tree standalone store. Plus, we always have carts like this full of clearance, and the clearance, you can always use the Family Dollar app as well. Also, you guys, don't forget to use the Ibotta app for items that might be getting you money back. All you have to do is scan your receipt and get money back just for shopping. More Nouvelle. Look, you guys, Nouvelle facial cleanser. All right, you guys, well, that's it for me. Thank you so much for shopping with me here at Dollar Tree / Family Dollar, the combo store. Let me know what you want to see next time I come in, and I'll keep coming back for you guys. All right, you guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.